Welcome to our video on the practice of walking meditation. In this video, we will explore the benefits of walking meditation for mindfulness and well-being, and provide practical steps on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Walking meditation is a form of mindfulness practice that involves walking slowly and intentionally, paying attention to each step and the sensations in your body. Research has shown that walking meditation can have numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. It can reduce stress, improve focus and concentration, and increase feelings of well-being. To practice walking meditation, find a quiet and peaceful place where you can walk without distractions. Begin by standing still and taking a few deep breaths, then start walking slowly and mindfully, paying attention to each step and the sensations in your body. As you walk, focus your attention on the physical sensations in your body, such as the movement of your feet, the rhythm of your breath, and the feeling of the ground beneath you. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your body and your surroundings. Walking meditation can be practiced for any length of time, from a few minutes to an hour or more. It can be done alone or with a group, and can be incorporated into your daily routine as a way to promote mindfulness and well-being. In conclusion, walking meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can enhance mindfulness and promote well-being. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can experience the numerous benefits it has to offer. Thank you for watching our video on the practice of walking meditation. We hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on mindfulness and well-being.